Wisteria means you have 115 months off. Wine dregs means you have 114 months off. Wild orchid means you have 113 months off. Vivid violet means you have 112 months off. Vivid orchid means you have 111 months off. Vivid mulberry means you have 110 months off. Violet means you have 109 months off. Veronica means you have 108 months off. Ube means you have 107 months off. Tyrian purple means you have 106 months off. Twilight lavender means you have 105 months off. Teal magenta means you have 104 months off. Sky magenta means you have 103 months off. Royal purple means you have 102 months off. Rich lilac means you have 101 months off. Rich lavender means you have 100 months off. Regalia means you have 99 months off. Red violet means you have 98 months off. Rebecca purple means you have 97 months off. Raspberry berry means you have 96 months off. Purple means you have 95 months off. Purple mountain majesty means you have 94 months off. Purple heart means you have 93 months off. Purple means you have 92 months off. Psychedelic purple means you have 91 months off. Pomp and power means you have 90 months off. Plum means you have 89 months off. Pink lavender means you have 88 months off. Phlox means you have 87 months off. Pearly purple means you have 86 months off. Patriarch means you have 85 months off. Pastel violet means you have 84 months off. Pastel purple means you have 83 months off. Pansy purple means you have 82 months off. Pale violet means you have 81 months off. Pale plum means you have 80 months off. Pale lavender means you have 79 months off. Palladinate purple means you have 78 months off. Orchid means you have 77 months off. Opera mauve means you have 76 months off. Old mauve means you have 75 months off. Old heliotrope means you have 74 months off. Navy purple means you have 73 months off. Mulberry means you have 72 months off. Medium violet red means you have 71 months off. Medium ruby means you have 70 months off. Medium red violet means you have 69 months off. Medium purple means you have 68 months off. Medium orchid means you have 67 months off. Medium lavender magenta means you have 66 months off. Mauve means you have 65 months off. Mardi Gras means you have 64 months off. Magenta pink means you have 63 months off. Magenta haze means you have 62 months off. Alizarin purple means you have 61 months off. Lilac means you have 60 months off. Light pastel purple means you have 59 months off. Light orchid means you have 58 months off. Light medium orchid means you have 57 months off. Light grayish magenta means you have 56 months off. Purple means you have 55 months off. Lavender purple means you have 54 months off. Lavender indigo means you have 53 months off. Lavender means you have 52 months off. Languid lavender means you have 51 months off. Jazzberry jam means you have 50 months off. Japanese violet means you have 49 months off. Iris means you have 48 months off. Indigo means you have 47 months off. Imperial purple means you have 46 months off. Imperial means you have 45 months off. Heliotrope means you have 44 months off. Heliaeube means you have 43 months off. Grape means you have 42 months off. Fuchsia purple means you have 41 months off. French violet means you have 40 months off. French plum means you have 39 months off. French mauve means you have 38 months off. Floret means you have 37 months off. Fandango means you have 36 months off. English violet means you have 35 months off. Eminence means you have 34 months off. Electric violet means you have 33 months off. Electric purple means you have 32 months off. Electric lavender means you have 31 months off. Eggplant means you have 30 months off. Deep mauve means you have 29 months off. Deep magenta means you have 28 months off. Deep lilac means you have 27 months off. Deep fuchsia means you have 26 months off. Dark violet means you have 25 months off. Dark scarlet means you have 24 months off. Dark raspberry means you have 23 months off. Dark pastel purple means you have 22 months off. Dark orchid means you have 21 months off. Dark magenta means you have 20 months off. Dark lavender means you have 19 months off. Dark Byzantium means you have 18 months off. Cyber grape means you have 17 months off. Crimson glory means you have 16 months off. Claret means you have 15 months off. Chinese violet means you have 14 months off. Catawba means you have 13 months off. Byzantium means you have 12 months off. Byzantine means you have 11 months off. Brilliant lavender means you have 10 months off. Bright nube means you have 9 months off. Bright lilac means you have 8 months off. Bright lavender means you have 7 months off. Boysenberry means you have 6 months off. Blue violet means you have 5 months off. Antique fuchsia means you have 4 months off. Amethyst means you have 3 months off. Amaranth purple means you have 2 months off. African violet means you have 1 month off.